So I know most MBAs are like a traditional 2-year program, and so I was really excited by the 10 months, and it was essentially just going to be like another year of college, and I'd be done with my master's.
I went to a panel where past our MBA programmees came and talked to us about their experience and where they are now. I remember telling some of my friends the confidence that they walked in the room with was one of the things that sold me.
The opportunity to live where I'm learning and live with the cohort was pretty cool, so I knew there'd be like opportunities for us to hang out and get to know each other really well.
A lot of my classes have just prepared me for the real world, getting ready for those tough decisions and, meeting deadlines and doing things, the right way.
But I've really grown a lot with customer relationships through my co-op and through the program, and learning how to maintain client relationships and manage employees in the future.
So I'm in the midst of doing a co-op with Bankable. I am actually in the marketing department. My professional title is a digital marketing intern. My boss is actually very impressed with some of the things I come up with.
I'm going to be able to go much farther and do a lot more in my career after graduation.
My current job opportunity that I have lined up with New York Life, I only got the job because I qualify with my MBA. So right away, I can see it helping with my career.
For our MBA program, we're going to Hawaii for a week after graduation.
I'm really excited about the experience. I'm really excited to meet different professionals. You learn so much from watching people and hearing people talk and how they carry themselves.
So we'll be going there early May and getting to experience a bunch of businesses down there and learning as much as we can from the global side of things. Later on, after all these and after the program, I'll be moving on to an area manager position within Amazon. They're a customer-centric company, and that's what really drove me there, just knowing that I'm going to be on the front lines helping people, making sure that they enjoy the experience that they receive from our organization.
I have a job lined up at Trendy Minds after graduation. It's located in downtown Indianapolis. It's a marketing agency. I'm really excited. I'm super geeked. I'm ready to start my job. I cannot wait until June 1st. I already kind of know where I'm going to live downtown. I've already made those plans. Yeah, I'm really excited.
I think that I'm a more confident professional. I think I'm a more confident student, and I feel very comfortable in a business setting now.